If you have seen trading videos online, it seems more and more Forex traders are switching from Forex trading to futures trading. But can anyone trade futures? Trading futures is accessible to a wide range of individuals, but it requires a solid understanding of the market and a careful approach due to the significant risks involved. Futures contracts are financial agreements where parties commit to buying or selling an asset, such as commodities or financial instruments, at a predetermined price on a specified future date. This type of trading allows individuals to speculate on the price movements of various assets and can be used for hedging purposes to manage risk in other investments. To begin trading futures, individuals need to open an account with a brokerage that offers futures trading services. This process involves completing necessary paperwork and meeting specific requirements set by the brokerage. It's crucial for prospective traders to understand that futures trading is not without its risks. The leverage involved can amplify both potential gains and losses, making it essential to have a comprehensive grasp of market dynamics and trading strategies. Before diving into futures trading, it's advisable to educate oneself thoroughly about the markets and the mechanics of futures contracts. Many traders start by using simulated trading platforms, which allow them to practice and develop their strategies without risking real money. This can provide valuable experience and help build confidence. Additionally, starting with small positions can be a prudent approach for those new to futures trading, enabling them to learn and adapt their strategies without exposing themselves to excessive risk. Overall, while trading futures can be an exciting and potentially profitable endeavor, it requires careful preparation, ongoing education, and a well-considered approach to risk management. By taking these steps, individuals can better navigate the complexities of futures trading and work towards achieving their financial goals.